Okay guys, so to make this Thai style pan seared tilapia, you're going to need some tilapia fillets, green onion, garlic, Thai chili peppers, paprika, salt and pepper, soy sauce, fish sauce, cilantro, and red onion, or you can use shallots as well. Also, you're going to need some lime juice, but I haven't put it here yet, but we will add that later for the sauce. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I've already got my pan getting hot on the stove. We have our fillets, and all we're going to do right now is just salt and pepper them. And we're going to add a little bit of our paprika. And we're going to let that sit while we put our garlic and our onion in the pan. Okay, so the pan should be fairly hot enough. So what we're going to do, we're going to add our garlic. Okay, so now we're going to add our fillets. So we have our tilapia frying in the pan. You're going to want to cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. You'll know when they're ready to flip because they won't stick to the bottom. Just don't try to move them if they're stuck, because then the fish will fall apart. So while we're waiting for that, we're going to start making the sauce. So for the sauce, we're going to be making a Thai chili sauce called Nam Prik. And it's basically Thai chili peppers, green onion if you want, sugar, lime juice, fish sauce. And you can also add some of the red onion if you want to. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take the lime juice and pour it in there. And basically mix it, let the sugar dissolve. The tilapia should be ready to flip. See how it just comes off? We got a good sear on there. So we'll let that cook for another 5 minutes on that side. Sugar has pretty much dissolved, so now you can add chili peppers, green onion, mix that. You can go ahead and add the fish sauce. Mix that all together. So this is one of my favorite sauces. I really enjoy Thai chilies. And I like fish sauce and I love spicy. And this is really good for fish, meat. You can put it on shrimp, chicken. I like to put it on my rice, vegetables, anything. And it's really easy to make. Okay, so now we're going to remove our tilapia from the pan. Okay, so now we're going to deglaze with a little bit of lime juice, soy sauce. Okay, so now that the pan has deglazed a little bit, we're going to switch it to a lower setting. We're going to add our fillets back in there. And we're just going to let that simmer for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so they have finished cooking. Now we're going to plate them and put the garnish in the sauce. Okay, and here's the final product, topped with that Nam Prik sauce, topped on some rice, came out beautifully. It's rich and vibrant in color. And it's gonna be delicious. Let me give you a closer look. And that is going to be your Thai style tilapia fillet. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and like or subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.